As you can see, today is a absolutely beautiful day, so I'm taking you guys to the waterfall. Let's go. Oh yeah, waterfall, here we come, baby. Let's go. Yo, we just got here to the waterfall. There's a little entry area right here. Parked my bike right there, and then you have to pay 20,000 rupiah for you to get through, so you can go to the waterfall. Here we go. We gotta pay this 20K.
20,000 one person.
I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. So the people here, like, I mean, they're tough time right now, you know. Bali is going through a really difficult time, and the people here still very, very loving, you know. So this is the path that you take to go to the waterfall. There's a lot of stores here, really cool little Buddhas. I mean, a lot of them are still closed, but not all of them. There's still some stores open. So since that you can get the waterfall in the back, there's a little thing back there that you can just stay right there and take some pictures. But we have like a long way to go. And there's a lot of like little places like this one. See? So like as you go down, there's so many of them, and they all like with waterfall in the background. Super cool. Last time I was here was like long time ago, so I never even knew that there's this club here. And this is the crazy thing, it looks really cool, like it's dope. But my friend have one, a place like this, but it's literally across on top of the waterfall. But it's so crazy because his club is not, I mean, it doesn't look like it's open. And then this club over here is like popping, going crazy. I mean, it's not busy, but like, it looks like there are people out here, you know? Like, I show you, but it's so crazy. Wow. Wow, this is a really cool property, guys. I hope I can show you everything that I can see from here, because it looks super cool. And right there is a nest for you to mingle with your babies. Hey, one thing I can tell you guys, they have some really good sound system, man. Wow, sounds great. I mean, too early for this kind of music, but if you ask me, but it sounds kind of cool. Hello. Yo, I mean, look at your boy. I got camera, I got backpack, I got everything just to get you some good footage, man. That's crazy. But like, I like it though, you know, like I think that, like on the real, I have been always working my ass off all my life, and to be here now doing something like this, I get so much joy, you know. So when you guys like it, it really makes me super happy. And I hope you guys like this one. Mike, bro. Good seeing you, man. How's everything? Good. I'm gonna go get my things and I'll come over here, okay? Okay. That's awesome. That's awesome. Awesome. To come over here and not get in the water with my board, it's not. I'm doing no justice, man. You ready, bro?
Ready! I'm ready!
Surah, surah. Alright, we're gonna get in the water, man. I'll tell you how cold this thing is. Come on, mas bro.
Yep.
It's nice, yeah?
Yeah, nice. Let's stay to the water.
Wow.
I'm sexy guy.
Hey, when they come to the waterfall, they look for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? So whenever you come to the beach, not the beach, the waterfall, this is the man that you're gonna look for.
My girl.
Yeah. This is 20,000 rupiah. Some noodles, some egg, maybe some food. Look in the waterfall, listen to the waterfall. Sometimes we forget, you know? The little things can make you feel so good, so happy. This right here, man, like I said, this whole thing cost me so far 50K. It's like $3 and I'm having this joy, you know? It's insane. You want some? No? This is good though. Not gonna lie.
Baby monkey bananas, baby monkey bananas, baby monkey bananas, bananas. Mommy monkey bananas, mommy monkey bananas.
So I'm gonna go up, all the way up there. Show you guys what it looks like from up there. I'm gonna go up there. Tickets. 20K to go up there. Terima kasih. Sama-sama. It's 20K to go up this way, which means like on top of the waterfall. So now I went from 50K to 70K, which is still less than $10. Come on, man. The best part of this trip was to come here and there's no one here, and then look at that. So many people showed up, man. People everywhere. People right here. People up there. At the shops. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. That makes me so happy. So happy. So many people. I was so bummed out, man. I was like sad, you know, because I love these people. And when I was here earlier, as we arrived, you saw it. There was no one here. And that really hurt my heart because I know a lot of families depend on this waterfall to survive, you know. So yeah, if you're in Bali, around Ubud, come support a community. I'm pretty sure they'll be grateful, very grateful for your support. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Ah!